racing just is started. We have Mr. Environment break quickly start moving up for the outside. Andalusia, Echage in the middle, then followed over by Mamika. Next on line of his Summit Dancer, and out the outside comes Janet Lin. Sugar Free, May Bukas pa, Manila's Queen, Viva Bola, while Jaiho is the early trailer going along for the first turn. We have entry number 6, and this one is Etchage by Orleng Anihap. Right behind in second is Mamika, Mr. Environment, Sugar Free on the outside port. Then next on line is May Bukas pa, alongside 6 now is entry number 8, Summit Dancer. Viva Bola, Manila's Queen comes next. Jaiho in the middle, Andalusia comes next, while Janet Linda now racing in less than at a far turn. 2 and 3 spotted out for the leader. Echage Mamika now moving up on the outside. 6 lengths away in third comes Sugar Free. And down on the inside, Mr. Environment moving up on the outside. May Bukas pa together with Andalusia. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have entry number 6, and this one is Echage Mamika moving up on the outside. Andalusia now coming closer in third. Last 100 meters. We have Mamika, Andalusia now on the outside. Running by the rail is Echage, and finally it's going to be Andalusia. And second is Mamika. Then comes number 2, May Bukas pa, Jaiho.
16-4.
Magiging ano ko